Hey, hi everyone. How are you doing? Okay. So today we are going to talk about the arrays. What is arrays? So basically, this is our first video into our DSS series, and this will be like a simplest one of the lightweight video into this playlist. And into this video, we are going to cover the two main topics. Like first is what is array, and the second is why array is important into the programming, coding, any kind of a development. Okay, so those two important things which will be really concerning if you are beginner to learn the DSA. So we'll just go through that, we will just skim through that. Okay, so basically what is array? Array is like a bookish definition is array is one of the collection of a similar data elements, okay, into the continuous memory allocation. Okay, so array is a collection of same kind of data elements into the continuous memory allocation. Okay, and if you just take a real time examples for it, uh, we can just take a chocolate bar. Choc bar, just a sec, it will be Cadbury. That is my favorite. We will just go through the examples, the real time examples. So what is array? So in this case, I will show you. So this is a 1D array, one dimensional array. You can see these are the same kind of data members, same kind of elements. This is first element, this is second element, this is third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element. This is a array of a size 6 where the same kind of data elements are stored consecutively into the memory. So that is a 1D array. If we just go ahead and we'll check, so this is the same kind of a data members. This is a first data member, this is second data member, and we can see those are getting stored consecutively. So that is also a 1D array. And if you want to see the examples of a 2D array, right, so we can just take a couple of examples. Okay, so this one. So this is a 2D array. You can see there are a number of rows, first row, second row, third row, and there are n columns. So that is a basically 2D array. If you just take another example also, we can just see the pills organizer. Okay, you can see 1D array. There can be, okay, fine. So this is an array of 7 elements or for size 7, and you can see we are storing the same kind of a data into the continuous memory location. That is a 1D array. And if you just go through it, this example, so that is a 2D array with the 4 rows and 7 columns. So those are a couple of examples where we are storing the same kind of a data into the continuous memory locations. So that is the array. And why array is important? Because this is one of the simplest data structure. Okay, and because it is too simple, it is frequently used into the daily life, into the software development, programming, any kind of a coding interviews. So it will not help only into the coding interviews, but it will be really helpful into your daily day work. So that is one of the simplest data structure. And what array gives like additional benefits is it allows us for the random access. So random access, suppose, so this is a array of a size 7, okay, and we have this fourth index. This is a zeroth index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index. And if we have the fourth index, we can just directly get the data into the fourth index. So that is a random access. And there is some mathematics behind that. Using that index of this first place, we can just calculate the index of whatever. We can just get the value of whatever index we have. We can just get the memory address for that, and this is a just O of 1 operation, because it will take a constant time. This random access into the array will take constant time. So it is too time efficient if you just compare with the linked list and all. So this will allow us for the random access. So basically it's O of 1, too much time efficient in case of retrieval. And if we are having a huge data, suppose we are working into one of the company, very big company, which is having a 10,000 employees. So under just a one variable name, we can just store an array of 10,000 employees. So that is a lot of use cases programming wise. We can use that. We can just store the same kind of a data under the single value variable rather than just making a n variables, which is 10,000 in this case. So those are couple of important things why array is important. And this is about the theoretical knowledge of array and all, and just introduction to the arrays. Into our second video, right, we will just skim through the implementation of array into the Python. Okay, so that will be our second video, so stay tuned. Chalo, bye.